my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix mics not working in Valorant. So guys, for fix this, first of all check the Valorant's in-game voice settings. This ensure your game audio inputs are correctly configured with the Valorant. So check, first of all launch Valorant and navigate to the menu and click the gear icon for the settings. Then guys, go to the audio tab and then select the voice chat and ensure the party voice chat and the team voice chat are enabled. Verify your correct microphone is selected as the input devices and adjust the input volume slider and test your microphone. Then try to switching between your push to talk and open mic modes temporary. After that, verify your window sound and privacy settings. So guys, window privacy setting often block microphone access for this specified application. So you open your window setting, then go to the privacy and security in the latest sidebar, then scroll down and select the microphone under the app permissions, where ensure your access is turned on and also confirm that let app access your microphone is on. Okay, another thing is guys, update your audio driver. So guys, outdated or corrupted audio driver are the common cause of the microphone malfunctions. So press Windows plus X and select the option of device manager from the menu and expand audio input and output to see your device. Then right click on your microphone device and select update driver from the context menu. Choose search automatically for the driver. If no update is found, then try to uninstall the device and then restart your PC, and Windows will usually reinstall all generic driver upon reboot. And consider visiting your motherboard or microphone manufacturer website for the drivers. Okay, third thing is guys, run the Valorant as a administrator and repair game files. For this, close the Valorant and Riot client completely, then right click on the Valorant shortcut on your desktop, select run as the administrator from the drop down menu, and then test your microphone in the game after launching as an admin. If the issue persists, then open your Riot client, click the option of Valorant game tiles and click the option of cog wheel icon, then select repair and wait for the process to complete. Okay, so these are the things that you can do. And guys, last is run your Valorant as the administrator. For run, close Valorant, then right click it, then select run as the administrator and select the repair and wait for the process to complete. And last, restart your audio services and using Troubleshooter. Press Windows plus R, then type service.msc, then scroll down and find Windows Audio. After that, right click on Windows Audio and select restart. Do the same for Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Then close the service window and run the audio recording turbo and follow its suggestions. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.